Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. If you were just joining us for the first time, I really do appreciate that, and I'm here to tell you that you are in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to get your YouTube metadata right. I'm going to show you guys a few steps on how you can go about that. So without wasting much time, I'm going to just show you guys 2 steps on how you can be able to go about this. So in the previous video, I talked about the YouTube SEO, and I talked about how you can be able to I talked about 5 major points actually, and from there I talked about how you can be able to go for easy keyword, optimize for watch time, optimize for engagement, and optimizing for your high CTR. And in this very video, I'm going to talk about I'm going to be talking about how to get your metadata right. I talked about it in the previous video, but I want to explain it better here, and I'm going to show you guys this. If you are a pro or a beginner in YouTube, this information is very important and very useful to you, because YouTube puts your metadata into great consideration on how they show people your video. And there are other things that other things also YouTube also make use of other information, but they also take this one into consideration also. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to be using 2 different ways. The first one, both method is going to be using just one website. It's called Vidiq, and it's free to use. You don't have to pay money if you don't want to, and you can also get the Vidiq boost for free. I have made a video and I'm going to put it in the description showing you guys how you can be able to get your Vidiq boost free, just by using the promo code that will be in the video too. So you can just go ahead and check out that video so you can be able to get your Vidiq boost, and you can join on this tutorial so you can follow along. Alright guys, so what is the very first thing you have to do after you've made your video and you're about to publish that video? Okay, I'm going to tell you one thing. The first thing you have to do is to not like the very first thing actually, but after you've made your video and you're sure that okay, the video is ready to go, your thumbnail should already be down already, just waiting for you to upload it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys one thing, and that thing is going to be, this is what you should do after you have rendered your video from your video editing software. What you have to do is to just come over to where you have your video file, and you should actually you're gonna notice that sometimes your video is just gonna be in this kind of format. It's gonna be some random alphanumeric stuff, and I'm gonna tell you that you shouldn't upload your video when it is on this kind of a format. If your video is like this, all you have to do is to make sure that you just go and copy your title. You have to go and copy your title. Like, let's assume this is the title I want to use. Make sure you just copy it, and then you go into your video file. And once you're in your video file, all you have to do is just to right click, and you have to go ahead and rename it. Okay, I'm just gonna paste. Okay, wait, that was a mistake. I'm just going to copy this. Let's assume this is the topic or the title I want to use for that video. I'm just going to go ahead and, okay, there's a lot of error there. Yeah, I know. You're going to rename this, and let's assume this is the topic. You have to make sure that your video file name is the same as the topic, or at least related to your topic, or sorry, your title that you want to use. So after you've done this, you just go ahead and hit your enter, and you can see now the video now is having the name that I want. That is the first thing you should actually do. Believe me, trust me. Okay, so when you're done with that, I'm just going to show you guys using the free method that I have come up with. All you have to do is just go into the Vidiq website. You have to also go into vidiq.com, and you have to secure your account, get your free account without, like, as you can see, this account is absolutely in the free version. It's in the free version. You don't have to you don't need to make any payments or get the premium. If you find yourself using this kind of account, you're good to go, but I would recommend you using the Vidiq boost. I have the link in the description. You can go there and watch that video on how you can get your Vidiq boost for free using the promo code. Just for you guys to just be aware, it's not a hack, it's not a crack, it's a promo code. Okay, so once you've gotten your Vidiq like this, all you have to do is to go into YouTube, and let us assume that there is a video you just found on YouTube, and then you want to like get some information out of the video. Let's assume this one now. I'm just gonna like open it up. I'll make sure I don't play this video, and once I'm inside the video, as you can see, this video says see what's new in Windows 11 2022 update. And as I can go down, and as you can see, I can be able to get the video tags just in case you are using the free Vidiq. Like you won't get this if you're just using your basic YouTube. And sorry to get you guys a little bit confused, you have to actually add your YouTube account, the one that you are going to be using. You have to add it into your Vidiq, and with that you'll be able to use it when you are just in your YouTube website, because there is an extension here already, Vidiq. You have to also get that. Don't worry, it's very easy. Immediately you get your account, you're going to see all this process step by step. It's going to guide you. Okay, so as you can see now, from here we can be able to see what hashtag this person actually used in this video. This is a help, so you can just go ahead and just copy the video hashtag that this person actually used from here, and you can just put it in your own hashtags. You can just go ahead and just copy, like you can just copy the person's description, and once you copy the person's description, you can just go ahead to go into your Quillbot. You go into Quillbot, and once you're in your Quillbot, you can just rephrase that description that the person have used. It's really easy, yeah. So once you are done with that, you can just actually that is pretty much everything you can do using your free Vidiq that has no plan on it. So that is just everything I want to talk about there. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and upload your video, and you can see some progress after you upload your video. But guys, this is what I want to tell you. Going over to the second method, which is using your Vidiq boost, which you'll be getting for free. Just go down to the description. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can just go there and watch that video on how to get your Vidiq for free. And once you're done getting your Vidiq for free, you can come back to this tutorial and continue from this point. So guys, once you've gotten your Vidiq for free, this is what it is gonna look like. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, let me just use this tab. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like while you're using the Vidiq boost. As you can see, this is the Vidiq current plan. I'm using the Vidiq boost, and as you can see, this is what you can get. You can get the 50 daily videos ideas, and the rest you just go check it out for yourself. I'm just gonna stick to this YouTube metadata. So once you've gotten your Vidiq boost, and you are trying to upload your video on YouTube, okay, I'm just going to use my previous video as an example. Okay, I'm not going to actually use my previous video. I'm going to use a different video. All right, so let's assume now you are ready to upload your video, and okay, you come over to this place. It shows you select your file. We're going to select that file that we edited, the name. Okay, this one actually. So that's the video I want to use. Okay, so this is when the Vidiq boost will come in place. As you can see now, automatically, as you can see here, the file name is YouTube Video SEO 2022, and automatically YouTube just picked that title and assigned it to the title here. It's up to me to edit it, and I'm going to show you guys. All you have to do is you have to wait for it. You have to wait for the Vidiq to actually give you some recommendations. So actually this is our title. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna go into Vidiq. I'm gonna go into the keywords, and I can actually just paste it there, and I can hit my enter. So as you can see now, it says I have 57 keywords actually. So I'm just gonna go over there. I'm gonna hit this part that says overall, and as you can see, they are giving me some recommended keywords. All these keywords, I can actually add it to my tag. I can easily just add this to my tag, but this is where the boost will come in handy. Where is that? Okay, this tab. So from here now, okay, I'm just going to settle off with this to this title. So as you can see now, using my Vidiq boost, I can actually get a new title for the video. As you can see, there are a lot of titles coming up. I can refresh it, and there are new suggestions, as you can see. So this is just one function that you can be using to get unlimited title recommendations. All right, I'm just going to close this. I'm going to close that. So over to this point, this section is meant to load up already, but I don't know what's wrong. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and put the hashtags. Okay, as you can see, because I'm using the Vidiq boost, I can just go ahead and click this boost this video, and once I click on that, I'm going to come up. I'm going to see a lot of hashtags that I can use here. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and just click on add this tag, and I'm going to just click on the relevant hashtags. I'm going to click on relevant hashtags actually. Then once I am done adding the hashtag that I want, once I'm done adding the hashtag that I really want to add to the video, I'm going to show you guys the next thing. So this one is the hashtags. We are done with the title. Now we are in the hashtag. Once you're done adding your hashtag, all you have to do is to go back to your description box, and automatically I'm sure that you will be given, as you can see now, they gave us our recommended keywords for your description based on your hashtags. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do now. As you can see, the description is totally blank. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just let's say the name of the video is talking about YouTube video SEO. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on okay, let's just go ahead and choose how to rank YouTube videos on first page. Okay, I'm just gonna go on how to rank YouTube videos. I'm gonna go ahead and click this one. I'm gonna go ahead and click this one also, and I'm gonna click on I'm gonna click on the third one also. Then I'm gonna click on generate. So once you click on generate, this is where the Vidiq boost comes in handy. So it's gonna show you description like that has been AI description that has been generated for you. And as you can see now, this description, they are really to the point. This is really exactly what you want. You don't want to go ahead and copy someone else's description, because what the AI is going to generate for you is absolutely going to be amazing. As you can see, this is a very nice description, and it's related to the video 100%. So I'm just going to go ahead and just like go to the next one. This is a different description altogether. Actually, it's recommending us three different description, and I can go ahead and just like refresh this if in case I didn't like see what I was looking for. You can actually like refresh it, as you can see. All right, so once I am satisfied with the one that's currently displaying, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on insert, and once I hit insert, automatically the description that I chose there is just gonna be inside the video automatically. Like, this is crazy. And as you can see, the actionable SEO here is 46.2 already. And there is something that you can also do in your video. I'm going to show you guys how to use this one. So let's assume now like there is okay, I'm just going to make like a typo error. So okay, I'm going to make sure that there is a typo error here somewhere. So once I click this on, okay, wait, I'm going to show you guys how to use that part. This part didn't work. I'm just gonna cancel that. All right, let's say this part, whether you're a beginner, I'm just going to add this part, and I'm going to also add this part here that says by taking a few simple steps. I'm going to remove the space in between them, and let's say I'm going to go into this part. I'm going to this video higher. I'm going to make sure I remove the space between them also. So as you can see, it's showing us that there is one controversial keyword here. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna go ahead and just turn this on, and it's telling us that the problem is from this this line here. So if you check well, you're gonna see that okay, problem is from here. I can just actually just go and take it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off, and I'm gonna go back and put the sentence how it's meant to be. You see it's still showing one. If I on this, it shows that it's coming out from this part. Then you know that something is wrong with your video. That's just how to use that part, guys. It's not much of a big deal. I'm gonna put a full stop here. Okay, so as I added the full stop, automatically this thing went off. All right, guys, so that's just how to use the part. So once you're done using the description, you can just go ahead and just cancel to close it, and you can just go ahead and select your playlist and go ahead and just put in your hashtag. You have to utilize your hashtag until 500 so that you can increase your actionable SEO score. As you can see, once it's like up to you can see from 46 it went to 48. Let's keep on adding more hashtags, and I think we're gonna hit 50. And don't forget also to add your channel name to the hashtags. That's very important. Okay, I'm going to add on show 36 more. Okay. You see, guys, actionable SEO score now is already at 50. So we did a very nice job here, guys. So guys, if you find this video really helpful, it helped you, you learned a few things, you learned new things here on this video, you can just go ahead and give the video a like, and you can just drop a comment in the comment section. I really do appreciate those. And you can also consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, you should consider doing that for me, and I really do appreciate that because you're supporting the channel to grow. Okay, guys, this is just going to be everything for today. I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful day all, and peace out.